In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create simple Laravel project through OpenCode CLI. And through this OpenCode CLI, you can create any project, let's say library management system, e-commerce, or anything. This is really simple. Let me show you the easiest one. We are going to create here a simple project, and where we have only, let's say, login page and registration page using Laravel Breeze. So we are going to give here a prompt. But before that, if you don't know how to install this OpenCode CLI, what you have to do, you have to download Node.js in your PC, and then if you go for the command prompt, if you say here node-v, if you find the Node.js version, it means you have installed Node.js. On the other hand, you have to install Node.js. Alright, I'm assuming that you can install Node.js, and we have a bunch of different videos on it. You can actually watch it. Now, you just have to run here a command to install this OpenCode CLI, command line interface. And what you have to do, you have to say here npm, or you can say here npm I only for install, and then -g for globally, so that you can access OpenCode CLI from anywhere in your PC. And after that, you have to say OpenCode -ai, then add latest to download the latest version. And if you hit enter, then it will be start installing. I have already installed it, and after the installation, if you want to check that install it properly or not, what you have to say here OpenCode -version, and you will get the version here. You can see it means you have installed successfully. Now go to any of the folder where you actually want to create the project and say here OpenCode and hit enter. Then OpenCode CLI will be open like this. Now here we have to give a prompt. Let's say I want to create our project. So before the prompt, we have to actually install PHP in our PC. So for the PHP, we are going to use gem. I'm assuming that you can install it. And after that, you have to open gem control panel. And from here, you have to start Apache and MySQL server. Currently, I am in desktop, then test CLI folder. Here you can see. So if you want to create your Laravel project, you can create Laravel project from anywhere in your PC by downloading Composer. So go for the browser and download Composer and install it in your PC. This is really simple. Alright, I'm assuming that you can install Node.js, gem, then Composer in your PC. Okay, now we can actually give here proc. Now I hit enter, and it will actually create the project for me. So this is just a simple project, but you can create, let's say, professional project like e-commerce, library management system, school management system, anything. Okay, through this command line, OpenCode command line interface. Alright, so you can see these are the steps it will actually complete, and if any step complete, there will be a tick mark. So we have to wait for this. It will take maybe sometimes. So I'm going to fast forward the video. So guys, here you can see we got here a issue. So the issue is I have configured Laravel to use PHP database name Laravel auth. So basically we have to actually copy the name, and we have to create this database so that it can actually go through the next step. Okay, so we are in the PHP myadmin. Now here, by clicking here new, we are going to create the database. So we are going to paste it, and we are going to create it. That's it. Now we have to go back to the OpenCode command line, and here I will click in the database creator. Okay, so I'll click here, and here you can see now it will actually do rest of the work. As you can see, it create the project. Now we are going to actually check it. But before that, we have to actually go to the project directory, and here in the desktop, so test CLI. So here we are going to open command prompt. Here you just have to run php artisan sun. Hit enter, and now we have to copy this sheet, and let's check the project. Here you can see we got the project here, and now we can actually go for the registration and login also. Here you can see, and we got Laravel Breeze. So this is how actually you can create your project through OpenCode command line interface. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.